Teach for Romania, we recruit and train dedicated people with or without teaching experience to become teachers in highly disadvantaged public schools. The 2-year program is just a stage in a longer journey of becoming an education leader.
The Model Schools program directly addresses the two key factors that have the largest impact on student outcomes: the quality of teaching and the school leadership. During the 2-year program, we train and support whole school teams from across the country to adopt new teaching methods, assessment styles, and classroom organization, so students are the active part in learning.
During the 2-year partnership to Mecenas Servie, we have locally defined various missions for our colleagues to enroll and volunteer. As example, they participated in the selection process of the new generation of teachers, and also they were engaged directly with younger children to promote literacy.
Servie Bulgaria employee role models came into classrooms and have shown students through personal examples how they can achieve everything they strive for through their own efforts.
Mergând în vizite la clase, am putut observa cum elevii sunt mult mai prezenți, curioși și dornici să participe activ la activitățile profesorilor din program.
В програма Училище за пример работим с учители от цялата страна, от всички предмети, всички възрастови групи, всички видове училища.
Am ales să fac parte din programul Teach for Romania pentru că mi-am dat seama că există o inechitate ridicată în sistemul de educație din România și am vrut să schimb sistemic această realitate din viața copiilor.
Програмата Училище за пример ми даде два най-ценни урока. Единият е да бъда визионер и да имам смели мечти за училището, което управлявам. И втория урок е, че истинският лидер въвлича всички около себе си в изпълнението на цели.
Thanks to this unique 2-year program, we helped train more than 40 teachers and accompany 2,000 children in Bulgaria and Romania to help improve the level.